Hey guys, Mark here from the Millennial Investor. Thanks for joining in today from wherever you are. Today we're going to talk about an app called crypto.com. It lets you buy and sell Bitcoin and digital assets as well as take loans and spend on a card so you can use their crypto card to buy things. It's a really cool product. I hope you like the video. Okay guys, let me walk you through some of the functionality in the app. Okay, so I'm logged in. As you can see, I've already favorited a couple coins that I'm watching closely. So this app has a ton of functionality. The stuff that they're doing is really, I would say, on the cutting edge of some of the crypto products. They're driving mass adoption into crypto, and I think what they're doing is great. So the core, all the functionality in the app is kind of from this main button. You go in here and look, I have my wallet where I can buy and sell. I have a fiat wallet so I can deposit cash there. I have the card, so they released a way to spend your crypto on a Visa card, which is I think the first company to actually do this. I see here I can get credit if I want to take a loan backed by my crypto. They also have earn, so you can earn interest on crypto with them, as well as rewards and tracking and paying. And so if you look inside the crypto wallet, okay, I see here, these are some of the coins that I'm actually holding. And so if I wanted to buy some, I would just go in here and go buy. And then you can kind of select which kind of cryptocurrency you want to buy. Let's just say Bitcoin, for example. And then you can put whatever amount you want in and then you buy Bitcoin. It's super easy. It's super nice interface, really easy to use. I like it. It's a little bit different than like Coinbase and some of the other ones that are kind of a standard app. This app, I think because of all the functionality, it's just got a different layout. And to be honest, I really like the layout. So back in here, let's go take a look at some of the stuff with Earn. So if you are holding crypto and you want to earn interest in that, they offer this service. And so you can earn interest on your crypto by locking it for 1 month or 3 months with them. And so you get paid out every 7 days into your wallet. So every 7 days, if you're holding crypto with them, they'll deposit the earnings into your wallet. So it sends a notification, which is nice, saying, hey, you just earned this much crypto for holding with us. Obviously, guys, if you are holding your crypto on an app or an exchange and not in cold storage, of course, be careful. Always only hold whatever you're willing to lose. This is always the standard practice in crypto. So yeah, these are some of the crypto earn that I'm holding right now. It's really great. So also let's take a look at the MCO card. Now I'm still waiting on my MCO card. I applied for it a couple months ago. So after you fill out all your details, they will send you one. Mine is still issued, so crypto.com. If you could send me my card, we can review it when it arrives. That'd be great. Okay, so other than that, let's take a look. You can also track some of the currencies, what's happening in the market. I always usually track mine on TradingView, but if you're interested in you can also set alerts. Okay, Bitcoin is this price now, and you will get a notification. So you can take a look at some of these are the accounts. Okay, how much you have in each account, whether it's your crypto wallet, your exchange wallet, your earn or your credit, as well as your fiat. Yeah, and so if you once you have the card, you can go into the MCO section and load up fiat into your crypto wallet, and then you can spend your crypto card on anything you want. So it's one of the first products to do this. It's really awesome. And so we'll take a look at that on the website right now. All right, guys, so as I was saying, crypto.com provides a card that lets you spend crypto. And so they have amazing rates. So what you need to do is lock some of their token, which is called MCO. And depending on the amount that you lock, the better rewards you get, right? So if you lock 50 MCO, I think MCO is like $3 or $4 right now. So if you lock 50 of that, you get 2% cash back on all spending, as well as 100% of your Spotify fees, premium paid. And so they pay you in the MCO card. So let's say Spotify's $10 a month. They will give you $10 a month in MCO as a reward to cover your Spotify, that you can switch into different fiat currencies or buy crypto with, whatever you want. And so this 2% cash back is great. If you stake more, you get higher cash back, right? So let's say if you stake 5,000 MCO, you'll get 4% cash back on all spending. You get 100% of your Spotify covered. You get 100% of your Netflix covered. You have 100% of your Amazon Prime covered, as well as 10% discount on Expedia. And also all these other perks like earning bonus interest, Crypto.com private and exclusive membership, and basically Crypto.com swag. And also they have airport lounge access. So if you are on anything up from the MCO 500, you can get airport access. So that's also quite good if you want to chill out in the airport lounge. It's really, really cool. I'm really looking forward to getting mine. I really like what Crypto.com is doing and how innovative they are in the crypto space. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want 50 free bucks to sign up for Crypto.com, you can take a look at this link right here. It will give you 50 USD when you sign up with Crypto.com. Use it, use that money, take your partner out for dinner, buy that person something nice, buy yourself some Bitcoin. Until next time, guys.